Samsung Tap to Transfer. Now, this is only available on Samsung, but I'm sharing this with you because I want you to know that because one company did this, that means other companies plan on, if this is successful, it plans on rolling this out as well. Check this out, guys. They say Samsung Wallet adds tap to transfer feature that works with your physical cards as well. So Samsung's got this new thing coming out with their wallet called Tap to Transfer. Basically, if you got a debit card in your Samsung wallet, you can just tap your phone against someone else's phone or one of those card readers, and boom, money is sent. The cool part is not just for Samsung users. They're saying that it'll work with other digital wallets as well. Now, if the person isn't right there with you, but they have Samsung Wallet and their phone number is linked up, you can just search them up and send money that way. Make it real easy for sending a little something to a family or friend without all the fuss. They're also saying that this tap to transfer feature is dropping later this month right here in the United States. So keep an eye out if it just makes sending money a whole lot simpler, if you know what I'm saying. So now, why is this good for people? They're saying less complicated. Nobody wants to be messing with a bunch of steps to send a few dollars. You don't have to go into the PayPal, the Zelle, the Cash App. You can literally just pull out your credit card, put it up against their phone, and tap it. They can say how much money that you owe, pull your debit card out, tap the phone, and then they get the cash as long as they have a Samsung wallet connected to it. Easy to understand. This isn't some new technology that requires a manual. It's just tapping phones together. Simple and straightforward for folks who appreciate things that just work. And they're saying that this is super convenient. Life gets hectic, and remembering passwords and account details can be a little bothersome. So just tapping a real plus when you need to send a little cash to family or split the bill when you're out at a restaurant. Most folks over 40 are already using the tap to pay or tapping their cards to pay at some type of store, whether it's the gas station, grocery store, or even at a restaurant, right? So this is just applying the same easy motion to sending money. Samsung Wallet already has security measures in place. The new way to send money will likely have similar protections, which is important when it comes to your finances. All you do is pull out your debit card. If they have Samsung Wallet, they type in the amount of money that you need to send them. You tap it against their phone. Boom, the money is in their account. No debit card, no PIN codes, no nothing. As long as you have a NFC contactless card, the little chip reader, as long as you got that, you're good to go. Before I ask Mike what is his thoughts on this, I gotta ask you in the audience. This is where we're going. This is where the technology is going. Do you like tap to transfer? One, yes, this will save me time to transfer money. Two, no, I'm worried about my card getting in the wrong hands. Three, this is definitely innovative. Four, I see younger people using this more. Or five, if it releases for all phones, this will change the industry. One through five, let me know in the comments. Do you like tap to transfer? Mike, got to get your thoughts on this. Have you done tap to transfer? Have you done Zelle? I mean, I'm pretty sure you got a card reader somewhere. How does it work for you?
Yeah.
What do you think?
So for this specific one, I don't think much about it. Like, it's okay. That's my literal thought about it. It's technically, I'm very sure it's secure because NFC technology is actually very good for Apple Wallet, Samsung Wallet, Google Wallet, Android Wallet, I don't know, whatever other wallet is available. Yes, it makes it easier maybe for a new friend to pay someone else and vice versa. But we have so many options right now. So, like you said, the Zelle. Funny story, when Zelle was forcefully connected to which bank was it? Whatever. They basically like were trying to take money out of my account. There was fraudsters that they couldn't even deal with, and they closed my account. And then the
Mm.
bank is like, "Oh, we'll just open a new account for you." I'm like, "You can't protect me." Nope, nope, I'm out.
Right.
I know. I have very common daily experience with Apple Pay. I have a lot of experience with Venmo, and I know of so many other options, like you said, Cash App, etc. That this is just another option that's many years late to person-to-person money transfer game. I think this is Samsung trying to take a percentage of that transfer share on the financial side, maybe from Venmo or Cash App, and try to kind of edge in the existing market.
Well, the way I'm looking at this is if Samsung pulls this off, you know that other Android phones, you know, Apple is going to say this was successful. And now they're going to make this a little bit more seamless for everyone, right? Not just
Yes,
teenagers, but even adults. I mean, just imagine if
absolutely.
I'm at CES or I'm at a convention and I see you and I say, "Hey, I would like your device or I would like your product." And you say, "Hey, well, you can get it for 19.99, 29.99, 49.99."
Right.
And then all I have to do is pull out my debit card. There's no card reader that I have to put it in. You can say I'm at the park for food or at a
Yeah.
food truck, and I'm just pulling out my debit card and I'm tapping it on my phone, and boom, there's the money. No questions asked, no PIN codes, no nothing. Now, I think that security, like you said, we're running into those issues. If that card gets in the wrong hands, they can literally just drain your whole bank account out, right? So I think that's where the level of concern is there for me. It's the Lab Tech Show. Join us Wednesdays at 8 p.m. Eastern at thelabtechshow.com. Embrace it or get left behind.
Alrighty then.